Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 12th question of the time, speed, distance chapter. The question says a person leaves his home at 8 am and walks at a speed of 5 km per hour from his home to the bus stop and misses the bus by 2 minutes. The next day he leaves his house 2 minutes early and walks at a speed of 6 km per hour and reaches the stop 2 minutes early for the bus. Okay. If the man plans to walk at a speed of 4 km per hour the next day, at what time should he leave his home to just catch the bus? Okay, assume the bus reaches the stop at the same time on all the days. So now this is actually a pretty interesting question. Suppose the first day the man is taking t hours to reach the stop. So the distance covered by the man from his home to the stop is 5 into t. T is in hours right now. Now the next day, the man leaves the house 2 minutes early, okay, and reaches the stop 2 minutes early. So for example, had the man left at 8 am, the regular time, he would have still reached the stop at the time to catch the bus, because if you leave 2 minutes early and you reach 2 minutes early, that means if you would have left 2 minutes late, you would still have been able to catch the bus. Okay, so the man still leaves at 8 o'clock, we'll assume this, and reaches at such a time that the bus leaves directly. Okay, so at a speed of 6 km per hour, now the next day, if you look at it, distance covered will be, so 6 is the speed multiplied by now the time. If you look at it, now time will be t minus 2 minutes. Okay, why? Because in the first case you were missing the bus by 2 minutes. In the second case you are able to catch the bus. Okay, I have made these adjustments already, this 2 minutes early and the 2 minutes early. So these are like cancelled each other out. So if the man left at 8 o'clock, the man will be able to catch the bus. So in both the cases we have made the scenario the man is leaving at 8 o'clock. So in this case the man left at 8 o'clock, missed the bus by 2 minutes. In this case man left at 8 o'clock and was just able to catch the bus now in this case. So in reality the man left 2 minutes early and got there 2 minutes early, but we have basically cancelled out this 2 minutes effect. So in the second case, if man is able to catch the bus, the man is traveling 2 minutes less. Okay, but only then he will be able to catch the bus, because in the first case the bus is missed by 2 minutes. So this over here will be t minus 2 minutes. 2 minutes in terms of hours is t minus 2 by 60. Both the distances covered should be equal, because the distance is from the home to the bus stop. So if these distances are equal, I can write 5t is equal to 6 into t minus 2 by 60. Okay, so we have got this equation. So what I'll do is I will basically cut this out from here and we'll write it on the next slide. Okay, so now this is what we already have. So this is what we already have. 5t is equal to 6t minus 2 by 60. So we can solve this. 5t is equal to 6t minus 2 into 6 by 60. This goes, this is 10, this goes, and this is 5. So it would be 12 by 60, which is 1 by 5. So minus t is equal to minus 1 by 5, or I can say t is equal to 1 by 5. This 60 comes over here and this is 5t minus 60 is minus t. So t is 1 by 5, 1 by 5 hour it is. So that means the time over here will be in terms of minutes, if I calculate 1 by 5 into 60, which is 12 minutes. 12 minutes. So the distance is 5 into t. 5 into t. So the distance is 5 into t means 5 into time is 1 by 5 in terms of hour. Okay, and this is kilometer per hour. So 5 into 1 by 5 is 1. So the distance is 1 kilometer. Distance between the home and the stop is 1 kilometer. Okay, and now time t is 12 minutes. But 12 minutes was the time taken in the 5 kilometer per hour scenario. Okay, so if time is 12 minutes in this case, in reality it should be 10 minutes to catch the bus, because if you take 12 minutes, so from 8 o'clock, so if over here I'll just write, the man goes from 8 o'clock, walks for 10 minutes, or sorry 12 minutes, walks for 12 minutes and misses the bus by 2 minutes. That means the bus leaves at 8:10 a.m. So this I have figured out, that the bus leaves at 8:10 a.m. Okay, I'll explain it again. So time t is 12 minutes here, we have figured out. What is time t? Time t is the distance covered at a speed of 5 km per hour. And when the man is walking at the speed of 5 km per hour, the man misses the bus by 2 minutes. Okay, so man leaves at 8 o'clock and in 12 minutes the man reaches the stop, means the man reaches the stop at 8:12. But the bus has already gone 2 minutes earlier. So the bus time to leave the stop is 8:10 a.m. Okay, so I have figured that out now. Now what happens further? Now the man plans to walk at a speed of 4 km per hour the next day. We have also known the distance is what? 1 kilometer. So distance over here is 1 kilometer. Let me write it down. Finally, the speed of walk at the final on the further the next day is 4 km per hour. So speed is, in the next case, speed is 4 km per hour. So speed is 4 km per hour. What is the time taken over here? Time is equal to distance upon speed. So that will be 1 by 4 of an hour. So 1 by 4 of an hour is 1 by 4 into 60, which is 15 minutes. So the man has to walk 15 minutes. Man has to walk 15 minutes and have to catch the bus. The man plans to walk at 4 km per hour next day. At what time he should leave his home to just catch the bus? So the bus is leaving at 8:10. You have to walk 15 minutes to catch the bus. That means you have to leave at 7:55 a.m. because 7:55 a.m. plus 15 minutes will give you 8:10 a.m. when the bus is just leaving. So 7:55 a.m. over here is the right answer. Okay, so that's how you solve this question.